Right now, your brain is under attack. Not by stress, not by work, but by dopamine overload. And here's the scary part. It's shrinking your attention span by the hour. We live in a world where your brain gets rewarded every 5 seconds. Scroll, like, swipe, repeat. And the result? You can't focus. You can't think deeply. You can't even finish a video like this. But what if I told you you could reset your attention span in just 24 hours? Not weeks, not months, one day. Because your brain isn't broken, it's just overstimulated. Coming up, the exact protocol neuroscientists use to reverse this, fast. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system to reclaim your focus, your clarity, and your mental edge. And there's one simple habit in the first hour that changes everything. Your brain runs on dopamine, the chemical of motivation, reward, and focus. But here's the problem. Modern apps are engineered to hack it. Every scroll gives you a dopamine spike, but also a crash. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts deliver fast, unpredictable rewards, the same mechanism used in slot machines. And your brain adapts. The more stimulation you get, the less sensitive your brain becomes. That's called dopamine desensitization. So now, normal tasks, reading, studying, even conversations, feel boring. It's not that you lack discipline, your brain just expects more stimulation. This is what people call TikTok brain. Short bursts, constant novelty, zero depth. But here's the twist. Your brain can reset faster than you think. Because dopamine receptors can recover if you give them the right conditions. Think of it like your ears after loud music. Step into silence, and sensitivity comes back. So the goal isn't to eliminate dopamine, it's to retrain it. And that's exactly what this 24-hour protocol does. The first 6 hours are critical. Rule number 1, no cheap dopamine. No social media, no YouTube, no music overload, no junk content. Yes, even your morning scroll is sabotaging your brain before the day begins. Instead, wake up without your phone. Go outside within 30 minutes. Get natural sunlight in your eyes. This regulates dopamine naturally. Next, do something boring but productive. Read, journal, or do deep work. It will feel uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort is your brain recalibrating. Now your brain starts stabilizing. This is where you rebuild focus. Work in 60 to 90-minute focus blocks. No multitasking, no background noise, if possible. Multitasking isn't productivity, it's attention fragmentation. Take breaks, but keep them low dopamine. Walk, stretch, hydrate, and avoid your phone. Every time you check your phone, you reset the entire process. By midday, something interesting happens. Your brain starts craving depth again. Tasks feel smoother, thoughts feel clearer. Now comes the most important part, the evening. This is where most people fail. They undo everything with a dopamine binge at night. 1 hour of mindless scrolling can erase your entire day's progress. Instead, dim your lights after sunset. Avoid screens 1 to 2 hours before bed. Reflect on your day. Write down what felt easier and where you struggled. Reflection strengthens the neural pathways tied to focus. Then sleep. Because during sleep, your brain resets dopamine receptors. Deep sleep is the final step in rewiring your attention span. Here's the truth. One day resets you, but consistency transforms you. Do this once a week, and your brain starts operating at a completely different level. This is the compound effect. Every reset strengthens your focus, your memory, your cognitive speed. Over time, this can feel like an IQ increase. Not because you're smarter, but because your brain finally works the way it should. You're no longer distracted. You're present, sharp, intentional. And the best part? Most people will never do this, which gives you an unfair advantage. You don't need more hacks. You don't need more apps. You need less noise. In just 24 hours, you can take back control of your